Hello everyone. So this time we will talk about our very own solar system. Our solar system consists of stars, sun, and everything bound to it by gravity, including the planets such as the Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and other dwarf planets, dozens of moons, millions of asteroids, comets, and meteoroids. Our solar system orbits the center of the Milky Way galaxy at about 515,000 miles per hour or 828,000 kilometers per hour. Our solar system is one of the over 500 known solar systems in the entire Milky Way galaxy. The solar system came into being about 4.5 billion years ago, when the cloud of interstellar gas and dust collapsed, resulting in a solar nebula, a swirling disk of material that collides to form the solar system. The solar system is located in the Milky Way Orion star cluster. Only 15% of stars in the galaxy host planetary system, and one of those stars is our own Sun. Revolving around the Sun are 8 planets, and it is divided into 2 categories depending on their composition: the terrestrial and Jovian. Terrestrial planets, consisting of the planets such as the Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, are primarily made of rocky material. Their surfaces are solid and they don't have ring system. They have very few moons or no moons, and they are relatively small. The smallest and closest to the Sun is Mercury, which has the shortest orbit in the solar system at about 3 Earth months. Venus is the hottest planet with a temperature of up to 867 degrees Fahrenheit due to an atmosphere of carbon dioxide and extensive lava flows. Next is the world of water, which is the Earth. The water system on this planet helped create the only known environment in the universe capable of sustaining life. And the last terrestrial planet is Mars, that might have also supported life about 3.7 billion years ago, when the planet had a watery surface and moist atmosphere. Beyond the 4 terrestrial planets of the inner solar system lie the Jovian planets of the outer solar system. Jovian planets include gas giants Jupiter and Saturn, and ice giants Uranus and Neptune. The gas giants are predominantly made of helium and hydrogen, and the ice giants also contain rock, ice, and a liquid mixture of water, methane, and ammonia. All 4 Jovian planets have multiple moons, sport ring systems, and have no solid surface and are immense. The largest Jovian is also the largest planet in the solar system, which is the Jupiter. Nearby the Saturn, the solar system's second largest planet, and its signature ring is wide enough to fit between Earth and the Moon, but a barely kilometer thick. Past Saturn are the ice giants Uranus and Neptune, the slightly bigger of these ice giants. Uranus is famous for rotating on its side. Next is the Neptune, the outermost planet in the solar system, and the one of the coldest. Orbiting the terrestrial planets is the asteroid belt, a flat disk of rocky objects falls of remnants from the solar system's formation. From microscopic dust particles to the largest known objects, the dwarf planet Ceres. Another disk of space debris lies much further out and orbit the Jovian planet, the icy Kuiper belt. Apart from asteroids, Kuiper belt is also home to dwarf planets such as Pluto, and it is the birthplace of many comets. Beyond the Kuiper belt is the Oort cloud, a vast spherical collection of icy debris. It is considered the edge of the solar system since that is where the gravitational and physical influences of the sun end. Our solar system's particular configuration of planets and other celestial objects are revolving around life-giving star make it a special place to call home. It takes our solar system about 230 million years to complete one orbit around the galactic center. There are three general kinds of galaxies: the elliptical, spiral, and irregular. The Milky Way is a spiral galaxy. Our solar system is a region of space. It has no atmosphere, but it contains many worlds including Earth, with many kinds of atmospheres. The planets of our solar system and even some asteroids hold more than 200 moons in their orbits. Our solar system is the only one known to support life. So far, we only know of life on Earth, but we're looking for more everywhere we can. The 5 spacecraft have achieved enough velocity to eventually travel beyond the boundaries of our solar system. 2 of them reached the unexplored space between the stars after several decades in space. The Voyager 1 went interstellar in 2012 and Voyager 2 joined it in 2018. Both spacecraft are still communicating with Earth. Both spacecraft launched in 1977. The NASA's New Horizons spacecraft is currently exploring an icy region beyond Neptune called the Kuiper belt. It eventually will leave our solar system. The Pioneer 10 and Pioneer 11 also will ultimately travel silently among the stars. The spacecraft used up their power supplies decades ago. NASA's Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 are the only spacecraft to leave our solar system. 3 other spacecraft, Pioneer 10, Pioneer 11, and New Horizons, will eventually hit interstellar space.